Pretty, pretty. Hey, do you need some more of this?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Did you put some on last night?
Yeah.
You smelled like a man.
Did you smell like a boy?
Yes.
Gross.
Yeah.
I smelled her.
You smelled her?
I was pretty much downstairs.
Okay.
She's stinky.
I was pretty much downstairs.
You're gross.
Right here. Come on. Other side.
What did you do to my shoe?
And I got with it.
You licked it?
Yeah.
You're so gross.
We use it every time.
Oh, I look like emperor right now. But I'm going to work. And who do I have with me? Who's that? Chicky Wow! Where's Chicky Wow?
Yeah.
Right there. Is it raining?
Yes.
Raining again. Raining just a little bit. Seriously, like, am I in the Amazon? Why is it raining so hard right now? Whoa, sick whip, bro! Yeah! Is that Jeff Gortdon? Jeff Gortdon? Bug. It's coming back.
Get it off of me.
Dang, Carrie Underwood got to this thing. Look. Smash. Boom! Chicks, man. I'm telling you.
I was commenting on that car over here.
Oh, this is sweetness.
Somebody showed her boobs a couple times.
Grumpy! What are you doing?
Diamond in the sky, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all.
But my whip went.
You're doing a good job. Just a minute. What is that one? Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
Hey, what doing? Ah! Hold on. Put it down there.
Hold on, what are you doing?
Bring it down there.
Down where?
Down there.
But how are you supposed to read to me?
I mean, put your camera down. Put your camera down.
I'm listening to you. Read to me.
No, put that camera in my way. Down there. Down there, nobody.
I'm right here.
Move your camera a little bit. There. Little bit more. There. Little bit more. There.
Read me a story.
That's so mean. He just my strawberry dirty. What's that? I don't know how to read that one.
Hickory dickory dock,
I don't know how to read that one.
the mouse ran up the clock.